Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and when I'm traveling, I always want to make sure that I just have the right size luggage that I need. And this carry-on luggage from FIGESTIN has been awesome for me personally. I love all the little details about this carry-on. This is a 20-inch carry-on, which is an awesome size for me personally. But what really drew me to this luggage is the design of the inside. I really like that you can use both sides of the luggage when you're packing your clothing and other accessories. The little partition area in the middle of this too is really awesome because it has its own little sliding pockets and mesh pocket, which is perfect for small little accessories that need a place of their own too. It's really convenient that on one side you can use the straps to really secure in your clothes, but the other side, I love that it has the zip close option. I have such peace of mind knowing that my items are protected inside of here too. With the hard exterior, it provides a really nice protective layer for all of my clothing and other items. One of my favorite features, honestly, is the wheels. This thing glides so smoothly and so easily across the floor. I love that they spin 360, so I can easily kind of just flip this thing around and it comes along nice and quickly right with me. This luggage has really nice placement of the handles too. It makes it really easy to carry it if you need to, or to pick it up and place it in an overhead bin. I was blown away at the capacity of this as well. Because you can actually use both sides and they're both pretty deep, you can fit quite a bit of things in here too, which is always good for me because I am an overpacker. This carry-on is the ultimate travel companion. Not only is it pretty to look at, but it is smooth to roll and has plenty of packing capacity. And that's my point of view.